So building inventions can be expensive,
which is why you should support us on Patreon.
but we noticed that there's loads of cheap chocolate in the supermarkets at the moment, left over from Easter.
So we decided to ask kids what we should build with chocolate, because on this channel we bring to life kids' invention ideas.
And 9-year-old Arry sent us his idea for a chocolate toothbrush.
And not that long ago, we built the world's largest electric toothbrush, and dentists loved us. So we thought it was only fair to restore the balance and build something that dentists are gonna hate.
Kids invent stuff.
So I saw this in a charity shop. It's a giant set of teeth that dentists use, and I bought it because it came with this brush. And I thought, yes, this is a structural toothbrush that will be great in chocolate. So of course, I bought the teeth as well. I've always wanted a set of these. It's like, ah! These are silicone moulding trays, and we've got toothbrushes, because to make chocolate toothbrushes, we need a mould of a toothbrush. And we're just having that really age-old debate of whether we cut the bristles off before we mould them or not. And I think the consensus is they're having a haircut, right?
De-bristled. So we've got multiple different shaped toothbrushes because we weren't sure whether like a classic toothbrush would be strong enough, the shape of it, to be made out of chocolate. So we've got some other varying sort of chunkiness toothbrushes, right to this one, which is Ruth's favourite. So we're going to cast all those in silicone so we can then pour chocolate into those moulds and hopefully make some chocolate toothbrush.
Before we could cast our moulds, we had to de-bristle our toothbrushes. We had a go at using a Stanley knife, but actually just pulling them out with brute force worked best. So this is 2-part silicone. And by mixing equal amounts of both the yellow and the white and pouring it on top of our toothbrushes, we should have our mould. Sean just panicked there wasn't enough, so we added the 4th toothbrush to the single mould. Ah! We have got 3 hours till this goes off, but you know, I like the added panic. Will we have enough? Spoiler, we did. It's very warm in here, in the hope that will go off. And I made my own little one because I really want to poke it, and you're not allowed to poke it. So I made one I could poke. And then it was time to remove our silicone from our mould. It did get a little stuck. We did resort to cutting it out, but finally we got our mould free and we started taking our toothbrushes out of our silicone.
So from our 4 toothbrush options, we reckon this one looks like the best mould candidate for pouring chocolate in, because time to melt some chocolate.
So we melted some yummy vegan chocolate and poured it into our mould, making sure we got it in all the corners. We placed in some bristles and then we added more chocolate.
Welcome to precision engineering with chocolate. Chocolate.
Our first chocolate toothbrush.
1 hour later.
Chocolate toothbrush. Oh.
We then used a knife to neaten it up.
Success! We've made a chocolate toothbrush, and we've had an idea for a way we might be able to upgrade it that just conveniently fits with a giveaway we're doing in this video.
So what's better than a chocolate toothbrush? A musical chocolate toothbrush.
So this is a MakeyMakey board, and some of you may have seen one before, and basically it is a touchpad board that you can connect to your computer and use like a keyboard, but it is only triggered when you create some continuity between 2 objects. So in this case, if I hold onto this crocodile clip and I touch this crocodile clip, we get an angry sheep sound effect.
And we're going to use that to make our toothbrush play music, but only when you're brushing your teeth. So to make sure that our toothbrush only plays music when we're brushing our teeth, we're going to use some of this conductive thread, and we're going to make it into one of the bristles on our toothbrush. So when we brush our teeth, it plays this delightful song that Sean has chosen. But as soon as you stop, it stops playing, and then when you brush your teeth, it starts again. Then it was time to melt some more chocolate and make our toothbrush that would play music. So we have our toothbrush head with our conductive thread, and we have a very long conductive thread that we can put through the centre of our chocolate toothbrush.
1 hour later.
And we had our first musical toothbrush. We just repeated those steps again, so we each had one, and then it was time to test. Test 1 of the musical toothbrush. We have a laptop. We're in a bathroom. There isn't that much space, if I'm honest.
There's no way we can glamorise this. Okay, here's the chocolate toothbrush. Right, we're going to clip it on.
Why are we doing a video where someone brushes their teeth? Am I the only person that gets freaked out by watching this? I'm a little bit temperamental.
It's playing music with a toothbrush. I'm brushing my teeth with a musical chocolate toothbrush. It works.
I think you're actually just brushing chocolate into your teeth. Dentists everywhere are like, what?
To be fair, the toothbrush is melting quite a lot. I mean, no one can dispute the fact that we've successfully made a chocolate toothbrush that plays music. Oh, I've snapped it. I've snapped the chocolate toothbrush. I think that's my excuse to eat it. Thank you, Arry, for your delightful invention of a chocolate toothbrush. This is successfully a chocolate toothbrush. This is clearly an offence to anyone of dentistry qualifications.
We have just made, though, a biodegradable toothbrush.
Also, when you're done, you can floss with the with the conductive thread.
My turn. Sean didn't do this properly. It's a toothbrush. We've got to have some toothpaste.
Well, mint choc chip is a thing. I'm ready for the lovely music. Weirdest thing we've ever filmed. Probably not, to be honest.
We should put a montage in of things that are weirder.
We built a car that looks like a carrot. We made some stairs that fart. Sean wore an oven and fed people. We made a sun cream firing slide. Sean went on a date with a robot. We made a machine that dropped a pie on your head every time you got a text. We made a workout shopping trolley. We fired cat food out of a giant mouse's bum. We went bowling while riding a unicorn. We fired 400 litres of slime from a cannon attached to a car. And we built a tickling chainsaw. Okay, so in the grand scheme of things, a chocolate toothbrush sounds pretty normal.
Doesn't look like Ruth's enjoying herself particularly. You don't seem too entirely sure about the combination of chocolate and toothbrushes.
It tastes weird, and I'd like to publicly apologise to my dentist.
What you're saying is that it doesn't have mint choc chip ice cream vibes.
Oh, it's broken. We want to say a massive thank you to RS Grassroots for supporting this video. Without them, we couldn't do all of this groundbreaking engineering. And if you want to make your own musical chocolate toothbrush, then we're going to be writing a DesignSpark article. There'll be a link in the description of this video. Check it out, step-by-step instructions on how to make one. And have a think. We used a MakeyMakey for this project, and there are loads of other things you could do with one of those. You don't have to build a chocolate musical toothbrush. But if you let us know, either in the comments to this video or the comments on the DesignSpark article, what you would make with a MakeyMakey, then we'll be choosing one person to win a MakeyMakey so you can do this sort of thing in your own home. So yeah, don't forget to comment. See you next time. Bye!
Now this is the real test.
Do your teeth feel clean? I mean, that's not bad. Does it taste nice?
Done.
Thanks.
Ding.